Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their life but they really want to do what their heart really desires. So, if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So, today I wanted to talk about that what we do in our life, like whatever we do in our life, whatever we do in our life, whatever. Are we doing it for ourselves? When I say that I really want to do what my heart really desires, so what does it mean to me? Like, what does it mean? मैंने ये एक और वीडियो में बात की थी, but I was thinking that what it truly means to me, because most of the time what I have realized about myself, that if I want to be successful, then it's for somebody else. If I want to be famous, then it's for somebody else. If I want to do anything, like whatever I want to do, it's always for somebody else. So why am I so much in resistance from what I truly like and from what I truly love? Why do I hate so much uh, doing something that I truly want to do and I truly desire? And what is it which is stopping me from doing what I love? Yesterday night, I was watching Teal Swan videos, and she actually said कि to be loved, why do you feel that you need to achieve something or be something or do something in your life? Why do you feel that you are not worthy of love the way you are? What if you are sleeping the entire day and you are not being productive and you are not doing something or the other uh, to soothe somebody else's ego? Let's say your parents' ego, that you are not being productive, you are not doing anything to please them, you are not doing anything to soothe their ego. Then do you feel that you are worthy of love? Then do you actually believe that you are worthy of love? Then do you actually believe in your core that you are worthy of love? Do you think you can do that and feel safe at the same time and believe that you are worthy of love? Do you think that? So I actually sat down and I started to ask myself, ki, is it possible that whatever I'm trying to do, whatever I'm trying to do, in my mind there is always a next work and the next task to complete and accomplish, and I never feel good enough. No matter what I do, no matter how productive I am, no matter what, I never feel that I am enough. I never feel that what I'm doing is enough in order to be loved. Why do I feel that I always need to be needed in my relationships in order to be loved, in order to belong to somebody, in order to be in their life, in order to be friends with them? Why do I feel that I always have to create a need in somebody else's life? And then I'm always angry and attracting those type of people in my life who just need me for a while and for some task or for something for their work, and then I end up feeling this deep resentment, and then I end up feeling being used. Is it possible that I do attract those type of people because somewhere I believe that I'm only and only worthy of relationships when I'm needed, when they need something from me, when they want something from me, when I'm productive in their life, and when I'm doing something or the other for that person. If I'm not doing anything for them, then why would they need me? इफ़ आई एम नॉट लाइक, अगर मैं उनके किसी काम नहीं आ रही हूँ, देन वाई दे नीड मी? बिकॉज मेरी लाइफ में कोई भी रिलेशनशिप होने के लिए, कोई भी किसी भी तरह की हेल्प मुझे अगर चाहिए, वो मुझे मिलने के लिए आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ नीड इन somebody else's life. Because, and this question opened my eyes that most of the time I am feeling angry, resentful, and I feel being used, because somewhere I am doing extra, because somewhere, maybe somewhere, because I'm not professional or on subconscious or anything, but maybe somewhere I believe that I'm only and only able to be in this relationship if I am constantly giving something. Ask yourself, if you always feel resentful, being used, or whatever, okay, do you feel that you are only and only worthy of any kind of relationship in your life if you are constantly giving something, if you are constantly in need, like if the other person needs you and want something from you, or want your help, want your advice, want whatever you have, and whatever you are good at, are you using that thing as a transaction to be in the relationship? Are you using your that talent or that thing, whatever you have, in order to be in the relationship? Do you think you are only and only worthy of this friendship, this relationship, this bond, or this work, this job, or whatever, if you are constantly giving something? You are constantly giving something, constantly giving, as in you are constantly doing something for them. You are constantly doing something for them, and then only you feel safe ki now my position in their life is safe. And what if, just ask yourself, what if you stop giving all those things? What if you start not being productive? What if you start doing less? What if you start giving less? What if you start being available all the time less? What if you stop uh, multitasking for them? Try to do that. Do you still feel deep down that you are worthy of this connection? And I asked myself that why is it? Why is it that I feel that I'm not worthy of love for just sitting at home? Like, I want to do things in my life. Definitely, I want to achieve things in my life and do, but I do not want to do these things to be loved. Because अगर ऐसा हुआ तो दुनिया में कोई भी चीज़ मैं कर लूँ, कोई भी चीज़ मैं हासिल कर लूँ, मुझे नहीं लगेगा कि आई एम वर्दी ऑफ लव. मुझे हमेशा ये डर रहेगा कि अगर ये चीज़ मेरे हाथ से चली गई, देन नो बडी विल लव मी, नो बडी विल बी फ्रेंड्स विद मी, नो बडी विल टॉक टू मी, नो बडी वुड लाइक टू बी अराउंड मी. देन वाई एम आई मैं अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ को इन सब चीज़ों पे डिपेंड क्यों कर रही हूँ कि अगर मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ में की तभी मुझे जेन्युइन कनेक्शन मिल सकता है, तभी मुझे जेन्युइन फ्रेंडशिप मिल सकती है. लाइक, लेट्स से आई बिकेम फेमस. नाउ व्हाट? Do I feel that if I'll get famous, then only people would like to be friends with me? Do I feel that if I look the most prettiest, then only people would like to be friends with me? Like, all these things are good, but am I doing all these things to be accepted and to be loved? Because somewhere I feel that I'm not enough, because somewhere I feel that I am not enough as me, that I am not enough as me to be loved. Do I feel that as this Priyanka, okay, as this body, as this soul, as this person, do I feel that I'm not enough? And why do I feel that I'm not enough? Why do I feel that I need to keep on achieving something? I need to keep on fulfilling something. I need to keep on always be in this rat race ही होता है ना, मे बी rat race. And अगर क्या do I feel that I am worthy of love for just the way I am? Do I believe that? Do I actually believe that I am worthy of love for just my existence? Do I believe that I am worthy of love because I breathe and I exist because I'm here? And ask yourself this question. And if not, then whatever I'm doing in my life, am I doing those things for myself? Whatever I'm doing, like whatever, जब आप मॉर्निंग से उठते हो रात तक सोते हो, आप जो भी काम अपनी लाइफ में कर रहे हो, do you feel that you are doing it for your soul, for yourself, to make yourself happy? Or are you doing all these things because deep down you believe that you are not worthy of love and you have to keep on doing something or the other so that you can prove your worth to the world or to whoever you want to prove, and then only you will be loved, then only you will be respected, then only you will have the genuine connection in your life. Don't you feel exhausted? That's why most of the time when we do things in our life and we have achieved so much, we have done so much in our life, we still don't feel good, we still don't feel fulfilled, we still don't feel happy. बिकॉज वो सारी चीज़ें हम मे बी कभी करना ही नहीं चाहते थे, वो सारी चीज़ें मे बी हम अचीव करना ही नहीं चाहते थे, जितनी भी एक्सटर्नल चीज़ें हैं मे बी वो सिर्फ हमने इसीलिए अचीव करी क्योंकि डीप डाउन वो वॉइड को पूरा करना है कि आई एम नॉट वर्दी ऑफ लव फॉर हु आई एम राइट नाउ. So I'll have to do all these things in this world so that people who never loved me, rejected me, will start loving me, because deep down I hate myself. I hate my true self. I hate who I am. I hate my true identity because I was not accepted for that. I was not respected and loved for that. So I hate it. So why would somebody will accept me for my true self when I myself hate that? Let me just come. Okay. So am I picking up on those things, like आपने किसी को देखा, they are being loved for something, maybe they are being loved for being pretty. Either you will resent that person or either you will try to be like that person, like you will try to copy that person. So ऐसे आप अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें देख रहे हो कि दिस पर्सन इज़ फेमस, हैव गुड कनेक्शन, okay, this person is pretty, have more friends, more attention and more relationships in her life, the kind of you want. अब आपने कोई और चीज़ देखी बट डीप डाउन तो आप वो नहीं हो, लाइक डीप डाउन तो मैं वो हूँ ही नहीं, मुझे वो चीज़ आती नहीं है, मुझे वो चीज़ करनी नहीं है, मेरी ट्रू आइडेंटिटी कुछ और है. लाइक इफ़ आई से कि मुझे फ़ोटोग्राफ़र बनना है, मुझे बहुत फेमस फ़ोटोग्राफ़र बनना है, एम आई डूइंग इट बिकॉज समबडी एल्स लाइक्स दिस आइडिया that I can be a good photographer and they see me that way, they admire me that way, so in order to be accepted and more admired by that person, let me become the famous photographer. Like I was just asking myself, this video blew my mind actually. Okay, so I was asking myself ki why it is so hard for me to just be me. Why do I hate myself so much? Why do I hate myself deep down that I don't allow myself to be me? And the second thing, what I realized about myself, that I hate making mistakes. I am extremely hard on myself, and I don't, I'm not able to forgive myself whenever I make mistakes. And whenever I make mistakes, I end up telling myself that, see, I am not good enough. I did this. I shouldn't have done this. So this extreme self-hate that I have for myself, that many people have for themselves, that extreme self-hate, self-rejection, भले ही वो बाहर नहीं दिखता, भले ही ट्रस्ट में बाहर नहीं दिखता, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि deep down you actually hate yourself. But the more you will get to know yourself better, and the more you will ask yourself ki, do you actually love who you are deep down? Do you actually believe that you are worthy of love just the way you are? Do you actually believe that deep down who you are is worthy of love? Do you actually believe that deep down your true authentic self that you haven't discovered yet, that you have suppressed, denied, rejected, abandoned, is worthy of love? If you are yourself is not allowing yourself to be you, do you actually believe that you are worthy of love? If deep down you are not allowing yourself to be your truest version, if deep down you are not even acknowledging your truest version, your truest self, and you are not trying to get to know your truest version and unleash your truth, then do you actually believe that you will attract those type of people who will love you for who you are, and who will accept you for who you are, and you will end up pleasing the whole world your entire life? You will end up doing so many things that you do not want to do for all those people who do not even like you for your true self, who only like the part of you, the version of you that you believe that is worthy of love. They just like that version. And what if you let go of that version? Will they still be want to be friends with you? Will they still be want to be in your life? Will they still be want to be around you? Ask yourself. Because I asked myself that अगर मुझे कि मान लीजिए कि मुझे लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करना है, मुझे लाइफ में सब कुछ करना है, मुझे लाइफ में ये भी चाहिए, मुझे लाइफ में वो भी चाहिए, मुझे लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चाहिए, ठीक है? But then, what if, because life is unpredictable, life is not predictable, you do not know what happens and what is going to happen to you. Okay? Okay, and then जब आपकी लाइफ आगे बढ़ती है, आप लाइफ में आगे बढ़ रहे हो, मान लीजिए यू डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, you don't want to do a job, you don't want to be productive, you don't want to be famous, and do you still believe that you will be loved? Do you still believe that people whom you have chosen to be around you or to be friends with you or be your romantic partner would accept you? What if in future I don't want to do anything? What if in future I just want to sit and do things what I love? Like I want to travel, I want to sit, I want to meditate only, and I just want to. I'm not saying that actually do that. I just want to spend time at home and take care of my house and watch TV and cook and dress up. That's it. I just want to do it. Do you still believe that you are worthy of love? Or do you feel that you will have to earn this much amount of money, the whole house should belong to you, and you need to be this much productive, this much principled, you need to do all these things for all these people, you have to exhaust yourself, you have to go to the work, you have to come back to the house, you have to cook meal also, you have to take care of the kids also, you have to be there for your friends as well, you have to be there for your family as well, blah blah blah. Do you feel then only you are worthy of love? And then where you are in this scenery. So, like, all these things are good. I want to do everything in my life. I want to have this big and beautiful and amazing house. I want this car. I want drivers. I want everything around me, people around me taking care of me. I want the spouse. I want good friendships. I want all these things. But am I wanting all these things from the place of self hatred? Because deep down I just hate myself and I feel I need to have all these things. Then only I'll have all those things which I just talked about. Or I actually want all these things because I love myself. You know, also what I have realized that most of the time we want to become financially independent and financially free and famous so that we will never need anyone in our life. But deep down, maybe we all want to have genuine connection, and as a woman, or I don't know much about it, but I'll talk about myself. We all want to have community and people around us whom we can rely on in our life time to time, because wanting all these things in our life, what's of what's the use of all these things if we do not have the सेल्फ लव. एंड व्हाट डू आई मीन अबाउट सेल्फ लव? लाइक मुझे पहले पता है क्या लगता था, सेल्फ लव इज़ ऑल अबाउट ऑन ओनली गोइंग टू द जिम, ईटिंग healthy meal, dressing up, looking my best, and all those things, which is good, which is a part of self love. But the more I am knowing about and uncovering about self love, I'm getting to know that self love is actually about accepting all those parts of yourself which you have been rejecting and denying and disowning and abandoning, and showing up for those parts of yourself and being kind towards those parts of yourself and believing that those parts will heal, and not rushing the process, and loving in the process yourself, not being hard on yourself, and releasing the shame and guilt, forgiving yourself for making mistakes, believing in yourself even when nobody else believes in you. Because yeah, it is beautiful when others believes in you, it is amazing, but believing in yourself and when nobody else believes in you, not being hard on yourself when you are not being productive, not hating yourself, and trying to get more closure towards the part which you have abandoned and you hate because you were not loved, and because you were not loved and accepted for that part, for being that version, for being you. So I this is my version of self love कि ये भी ज़रूरी है self love में. Only looking my best is not self love. It is a part of self love. It is beautiful. Okay, but these things are also important because I just promised myself yesterday that I will try, even if it is extremely hard for me, and I don't know how I will do that, because I always believed my entire life that I have to be productive in order to be loved, that I have to keep on doing something or the other, because that's what I saw my grandmother doing, my mother doing. I saw them being like morning से लेके शाम तक being productive, and that's what I thought a self-worth is of a woman. If she's constantly giving and working and doing all the chores of the house, I thought that's what I need to do. And I was not accepted and loved for just sitting around and doing nothing. I always have to keep on doing something or the other. So I thought I need to be like that. But deep down, I hated that. Now, at this moment, I started to hate it. Ki I just don't want to do it. I don't want to be doing पूरे दिन कुछ ना कुछ. Even if I'm alone in my room, I'm not able to relax. I'm always trying to do something. I'm not able to relax. My mind is not able to relax. I'm always thinking about the next task, कि next task क्या होगा. वीडियो शूट कर ली, अब एडिट करना है, फिर बाहर जाना है, फिर ये करना है, और आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिलैक्स. What if I allow myself to relax? What if I am just lying down on my bed for the whole day? What if I'm not doing anything? What if somebody asks me that what do you do for a living? I just tell them that I breathe air, I breathe oxygen, and I just do something which I actually enjoy. That's it. That's what I do for a living. क्या वो मुझे फिर भी एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? क्या वो फिर भी मेरे दोस्त बनना चाहेंगे? क्या वो फिर भी मुझसे बात करना चाहेंगे? क्या वो फिर भी मेरी लाइफ का हिस्सा बनना चाहेंगे, या फिर अपने लाइफ का हिस्सा मुझे बनाना चाहेंगे? I actually did it. There was this uncle, he asked me that what do you do? I just said that I do things that I actually enjoy and have fun. That's it. That's how I gave the answer. And he was confused कि what she's talking about, but I just gave him this answer, and I was like, I'm not gonna tell him what I do and then feel ki okay, and then feel this ego, I do this, then only he will talk to me, and then only he will want to be talking to me, whatever. Just ask yourself that what if you allow yourself to be, and this is for those people who are extra productive like me. This video is not for people who are not at all productive, because I know about me, so I can talk about myself, because I am extra productive, and that's what I realized about me, कि I always constantly want to do something, constantly want to be doing something in order to feel worthy of anything in my life, and I want to correct it. I just want to be loved for who I am, and for knowing that who I am, I need to release the resistance from accepting those parts of myself which I have been rejecting due to whatever circumstances I've been through. And I just want to fall in love with myself. That's all I wanted to tell you all, guys, in this video. Ki, I just want to release this ego that if I'm this, if I'm that, if I am this person, if I'm this celebrity, if I'm this famous, if I have this position in my life, like we attach ourselves with different identities. हम अपनी बहुत सारी identity create कर देते हैं. कि आई एम दिस प्रोटेक्टर, आई एम दिस प्रोवाइडर, आई एम दिस सेवियर, आई एम दिस पर्सन हु इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर देम, आई हैव दिस पोजिशन, तो आई एम दिस, आई एम दिस, आई एम दैट. What if you let go of all these things? You just let go and release all these things. Just let it go. Do you still feel and believe that you are worthy of love? If I let go of, अभी तो मेरे पास कोई trophies नहीं है. If I let go of all the trophies, all the degrees, all the certificates, everything, do I still believe that I am worthy of love or I am worthy of connection? Do I still believe that? So I just want to know that I only want to do things now which I truly want to do. I do not want to do anything which is a whole different journey, because वो करने के बाद ही समझ में आता है कि यार मुझे तो ये कभी करना ही नहीं था. सो वो भी ज़रूरी है, वो प्रोसेस भी ज़रूरी है. I do not wanna get any degree. I do not wanna do any courses. I do not wanna opt for, go for any job. I do not wanna look pretty. I do not wanna dress well. I do not wanna do anything, because deep down I believe that I'm not worthy of love. If I don't do all these things, if I don't have all these things, because in God's eyes I am worthy no matter what. Because soul का कोई डिग्री, सोल ने कोई डिग्री नहीं की है इस फिज़िकल वर्ल्ड में आके. सोल को प्रिटी दिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सोल को कुछ भी ये सब कुछ आइडेंटिटीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है लव्ड फील करने के लिए गॉड से. गॉड लव यू बिकॉज यू आर पार्ट ऑफ हिम, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ हर, यू आर द क्रिएटर. सो आई जस्ट wanna do, and I am unleashing, I am allowing those things to come out, and I just wanna do things that I wanna do for myself, because it makes me happy, because it brings joy to me. Because like अभी मैं YouTube वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ. Am I doing it for myself, or I am doing because I have pressure that if I'll not do this, then I'll not be anything, like whatever. I'll not be famous. People will not know me. People will not like me. And if they will not like me, I'm nothing. Or am I doing it because I like to share and I enjoy? I love it. I love this moment. I enjoy it. That's a journey. So yeah, on this note, बट इससे पहले डू आस्क योर सेल्फ दैट आप अपनी लाइफ में जो भी कर रहे हैं वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. आर यू डूइंग इट फ्रॉम द प्लेस ऑफ सेल्फ लव और सेल्फ हेट्रेड? And when I say that from the place of self-love, I do not mean all the physical thing. I mean deep down, are you doing it because you enjoy doing it and you love it? Or you are doing it because deep down you hate your true version, your true self, and you feel that if you will do this, then only you are worthy of love? Ask yourself this question. I'll leave you on to it. So bye bye guys, take care, and I'll see you all in my next video. If I देखो गलत हो गया ना, फिर से बोलना पड़ेगा. Okay. Okay, bye bye everyone, and I love you all. I'll see you all in my next video. And if you resonate with my content, like it, then do like, follow and subscribe to my channel. Do follow and share with your friends and family. And I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. अब पता नहीं कितने रिपीटेशंस में मैंने बोला है, लेकिन अब ठीक है.